Hi everyone. So today we're going to talk about this 2018 Camaro. It's the 2.0 turbo, and we're going to talk about whether it's reliable or not. So I had this car. I bought this car brand new, and right now it has 125,000 miles, and I honestly haven't had any major issues with it. So I got the car tuned on E85 around 80,000 miles, and the only issue that I have had with this car, it's the alternator. Not sure what happened, but the pulley, some issue with the pulley. I took the alternator out and took it to a shop, and they fixed it for $60. Um, some of the upgrades that I have done to this car is the E85 kit from CCP. I have the throttle body, the bigger throttle body, and the spacer, and I also have the CCP intake, and I have the CZP catted downpipe and the catch can. So all the maintenance I do myself. All the oil changes I done myself, and the transmission fluid change I done myself, and the differential um, also. So I replaced the transmission fluid and the differential at 50k, and then I've been doing it every 20 or 30,000 miles. So I've done it a couple times, and like I said, I haven't had any issues. And another mod that I have is the throttle body controller, and I'll show you guys the mileage on my car. Uh, but to answer the question, is this car reliable? I like to think so. I haven't had any major issues. It still runs pretty strong. Uh, and like I said, the only thing that I had to fix was the alternator. That only cost me $60. The the regulator was good. It was just an issue with the pulley, and I haven't even had to replace the battery on this car yet. But yeah, you guys have any questions or any comments regarding this topic, just let me know in the comments below.